Hello and welcome to All for Shooters. The three blue boxes you see here are the packaging of the X10 progressive reloading press from Frankford Arsenal. I received this from Strobl.cz. Now, the X10, as many of you know, is a progressive press which allows to have a very high volume of reloaded cartridges and is very appealing to high-end competitions, shooters in IPSC, DPA, dynamic shooting competitions, and so on. The X10 is capable of reloading pistol rounds, but also rifle rounds, goes all the way up to 308. To fully set up the Frankford Arsenal X10 press, we'll need additional accessories. This is the pistol bullet feeder caliber conversion kit needed to fully automate the press. This is the shell holder for 9mm, the Lyman 9mm cartridge gauge. I chose the Lyman Pro Die set in stainless steel for the 9mm cartridge. For my test, Strobl.cz sent me a sample of Berry's 124 grain 9mm bullets. Note that everything we're unboxing now, like this digital scale, is completely optional and must be purchased separately from the press. To clean and prepare the cases for reloading, Strobl.cz sent me the Frankford Arsenal Quick and Easy vibratory case tumbler. The Quick and Easy case tumbler is capable of cleaning up to 600 pistol cases at a time or 350 rifle cases. The second box contains additional optional accessories. The first and most important is the X10 pistol bullet collator. This is the container that automatically feeds bullets to the press to be reloaded. And a full can of Lyman branded media for the tumbler. Last but not least, the third and largest box contains the X10 press from Frankford Arsenal. The packaging of the X10 progressive press from Frankfurt Arsenal is absolutely excellent. The very first thing we are presented with opening the box is the stencil that is used to make the holes to mount the press on the bench, followed by the primer tubes. Most of the weight is concentrated in the main body of the press, and we see here the automatic case feeding mechanism and container. All moving parts on the press main body are secured by zip ties. Remember to remove them before assembling the press. The micrometric powder volume measure is included as standard. Inside the container for the automatic case feeder, we can find boxes with additional accessories, spare parts, and the tools needed to maintain the X10. First-time reloaders and shooters who are more used to the economical and simpler progressive presses may be slightly overwhelmed by the complexity of the X10 from Frankfurt Arsenal. However, this is the trade-off that's needed for a press that is capable of reloading over 1,000 rounds per hour. Stay tuned for Alpha Shooter's next video on the X10 progressive press from Frankford Arsenal. I'll show you how to assemble, set up, and adjust the progressive press for reloading 9mm pistol ammunition. Any comments, questions, post them below.